Today I'll discuss about electric charge. What is electric charge? To answer this question, at first we have to know about atoms. All matter is made of atoms, which contain electrons, protons, and neutrons. Neutrons are neutral, but protons and electrons are electrically charged. Both have the same size of electrical charge, but the proton is positive and the electron is negative. The total number of electrons in an atom is always the same as the number of protons in the nucleus. This means atoms have no overall electrical charge, but when an object has an imbalance in the number of electrons and protons, it is electrically charged. In electrical interactions, neutrons are not involved. Electric charge is the basic property of matter. It is the physical property of matter that causes it to experience a force when placed in an electromagnetic field. Electric charge can be positive or negative. In matter, the positive charges are stuck in place in the nucleus. Matter is negatively charged when extra electrons are added, and positively charged when electrons are removed. Charges can travel in conductors, but it can't travel in insulator. An object with more electrons than protons is said to carry a negative charge. An object with more protons than electrons is said to carry a positive charge. Charged objects exert electric forces on each other. Like charges repel and opposite charges attract. Like energy and momentum, electric charge is also a conserved quantity. Charge cannot be created or destroyed, but it can be transferred between objects. Let's talk about units of electric charge. The symbol for electric charge is usually Q. The elementary charge unit is E, but the elementary charge unit is not the standard SI unit. The SI system uses the coulomb as the standard unit of charge. The unit of electric charge in the meter kilogram second and SI systems is the coulomb. In the centimeter gram second system, there are two units of electric charge, the electrostatic unit of charge ESU and the electromagnetic unit of charge EMU. Coulomb is defined as the number of electrons passing through a current of 1 ampere each second. 1 coulomb of electric charge equals about 3 billion ESU or 1/10 EMU. As I said before, most objects are electrically neutral. This means that they have an equal positive and negative charge. In order to charge an object, we have to alter the balance of negative and positive one way or another. There are three common ways for a neutral object to become charged. They are friction, conduction, and induction. Charging by friction occurs when two different materials rub against each other, causing a transfer of electrons. The material with the greater affinity for electrons becomes negative, and the material with lower affinity for electrons becomes positive. Charging by conduction involves the contact of a charged object to a neutral object. Suppose that a neutral metal sphere rests upon an insulating platform. An object with an excess of negative charge is brought near to the neutral metal sphere. Upon contact, electrons move from the object to the metal sphere and spread about uniformly. The object now has less excess negative charge, and the metal sphere now has an excess of negative charge. The process of charging the uncharged object by bringing another charged object near to it but not touching it is called charging by induction. In this picture, we can see an uncharged metal sphere and a negatively charged plastic rod. If we bring the negatively charged plastic rod near to uncharged sphere as shown here, charge separation occurs. Thanks for watching.